Hi, in this video, I will show you how to earn free JMPT tokens using HoneyGain app. In the description, click on the link HoneyGain. Click on the claim $5 now. And sign up. After sign up, you will get free $5. Now let's download it. Click on the download for Windows. And open it. After installation, click on the accept and log into your HoneyGain account. After login, you can start earning money. Now let's try withdraw and exchange some money. Go to JumpTask.io. Connect JumpTask with your MetaMask wallet. Here you can see your earnings. To withdraw your JMPT tokens, click on the transfer to my wallet. And wait while transaction will be done. I received my tokens, now let's swap it for BNB. In the JumpTask dashboard, click on the buy. Now we are on PancakeSwap, select JMPT tokens and swap it. How you can see it is working, and this is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe.